today I'm going to share with you some quick aloe vera gel hacks, so just keep watching. To prevent cracked heels, take some aloe vera gel and glycerine. Now obviously we'll mix the two ingredients well together and apply it all over your heels. Massage it well into your skin, and once you're done with that, put on those socks. The best time to do this treatment is at night, and you must do this every single day. Within just 3 to 4 days, you will start seeing a visible difference no matter how badly cracked your heels are. Since aloe vera gel is well known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties along with being a great moisturizer, you can totally use it for your dandruff cure. As you can see, we have already mixed a little bit of lemon juice with aloe vera gel and now just adding a few drops of tea tree oil. Don't add too much, but just mix all the ingredients very well together. Apply it all over your scalp. You can also use it on your hair. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. And talking about shampoo, you can always mix a little bit of aloe vera gel with your regular shampoo for a quick moisture boost to your hair and also to avoid frizziness. If you're struggling with dark underarm issues, you can always apply a little bit of aloe vera gel just before you start shaving. Not only will this prevent dark underarms to a huge extent, but it will also help in preventing razor bumps and cuts. For pimple-prone skin, take some neem powder and to this add aloe vera gel. Spray your face with rose water, make sure your face is all clean, and then apply this on the targeted areas. You can totally leave this mixture on for a couple of hours. Yes, a couple of hours is no problem at all. And then wash it off with cool water. Now you may not see a difference instantly, but I can promise you that with regular use every single day, within 5 or 6 days you will start seeing a difference in your pimples and your face will start looking cleaner and more fresh. Last but not the least, to add an instant shine to your hair, take some aloe vera gel, Brahmi powder, and you will also need some coconut oil. So obviously we'll start by taking some Brahmi powder. To this we'll add aloe vera gel and a little bit of coconut oil. As you start mixing, add water as required to get a smooth consistency. Apply this mask all over your hair, all over your scalp, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. Not only will your hair be glossy and silky, but using this pack once a week will also make your hair stronger. So guys, those were all the aloe vera gel hacks that I wanted to share in today's video. As you might have noticed, I was using the Pora 9-in-1 multi-purpose aloe vera gel. This is suitable for all skin and hair types and it contains no artificial color, no artificial fragrance. Let me quickly take you through the ingredient list. So it basically contains 99% aloe vera juice and the remaining ingredients include plant-based natural thickener and citric acid. Citric acid is again something which is naturally found and can be used as a preservative. So like you can see over here, when I'm taking this aloe vera gel on the palms of my hands, it looks very natural, no colors added, and it has a very natural feel. So guys, if you want to know more, I'll share the link in the description box below where you can check the reviews, ratings, and of course if you want to purchase it for yourself. And if you have any hacks of your own, please don't forget to share them with me in the comment section below. And guys, like I always say, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Simple Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.